Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and I am back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to remove hard water stains from tiles. And the cleaner I'm using today is safe on natural stone like my marble that you see here, but it also works on porcelain and ceramic tiles. Let's get into it. This is an easy fix. I love this product. Let's talk about it. I installed this marble tile about 6 years ago and I haven't actually had to remove hard water stains on it yet because this tile is pretty light. The hard water stains are hard to see. But it's gotten to the point to where I don't really like the look of the tile anymore, so it's time for me to remove the hard water stains. And luckily, I already have a product that I really love that works on stone and glass, and I have been using it on my glass shower door for the last year. In fact, I've already made 2 videos about using it to clean the hard water stains off my glass shower door. This product is called Stone and Glass Scrub. It's by a company called Stone Pro. It's non-toxic and non-acidic, so it's safe on natural stone like my marble tile. And it doesn't have a very strong chemically smell that you do get with some bathroom cleaners or even vinegar or ammonia, something else that you might be using to clean your house with. This has a nice light orange scent to it. I've shown in previous videos how to use vinegar to get the hard water stains off of glass, but vinegar is not safe for use on natural stone tile like this marble here. Vinegar can etch the finish on a stone tile and start to make it look really dull. Vinegar can also cause discoloration or yellowing in light natural stone tile. And vinegar is acidic enough to strip away that sealer that you put on natural stone tile once a year that protects it from water damage or any other discoloration. So there are 3 reasons there for you to not use vinegar on your stone tile. But luckily, even with 6 years of hard water stain buildup on my tile, the Stone Pro Stone and Glass Cleaner is doing a pretty good job of quickly removing the mineral buildup on this tile. I'm using a non-scratch scrubbing pad, so this is a blue non-scratch scrubbing pad. You can get it at any grocery store with this. If you want to save yourself some of the physical effort of scrubbing a whole shower, you can also use a drill with an attachment that is safe to use on stone. So I'll link to one in the description below. I actually showed myself using my drill to clean my glass shower door in the last video that I made. It does make the job of scrubbing all those tiles easier and faster. So I have to say, if you do have a drill at home, it is a much faster, easier way to do it. But not necessary. The blue scrubbing pad does work just as well. To remove the hard water spots from your tile with the Stone Pro Stone and Glass Cleaner, I find that it's better to have the tiles a little bit wet. And then I like to add about a quarter size amount of the product to the scrubbing pad and scrub the tile in sections. After scrubbing each section for a minute or 2, you can leave the product on for another minute to let it work. Then all you have to do is wipe it away with a clean rag or paper towel, whatever you have on hand. If you see that you still have water stains in that section, just repeat those steps until you see the spots go away. I have to say, this worked really quickly on my tile. And like I said, it was 6 years worth of hard water stain buildup. I do have a water softener on my house. It doesn't completely get rid of the hard water, but it does help to reduce it a lot. So if some of you have a lot harder water than I do and it's been building up longer, it might take longer, of course, to scrub it away. If you have thick layers of hard water stain buildup on your tile and it's going to be a tougher job for you, I will say that drill brush is probably your best bet. If you can do it with a drill brush, it's going to make the job faster and easier. And also let that product sit on your tile for a couple of minutes to let it start breaking down those hard water spots before you even start scrubbing. This cleaner is not going to clean your whole shower for you. So this doesn't mean that you've just cleaned your grout too. So you still have to do your normal shower cleaning routine to get your shower clean, to get rid of the mildew. I have another video showing how I clean my marble tile safely and how I prevent mold and mildew from building up with marble tile or natural stone tile. If you want to see that, I'll link to that above. And as always, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I do try to answer them when I get a chance. All right, good luck cleaning your hard water stains, guys.